Have you ever dreamed of a place where vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see, where history comes alive on every street corner, and where wine flows like a river?
Bonjour!
Well, 2 days in Bordeaux can provide you with a taste of the city and some of its highlights. It's a relatively short amount of time to fully explore and appreciate everything this charming city has to offer. What you will be able to see is how to maximize your experience if you have just 2 days to spend in Bordeaux. How to relax and enjoy learning new things without rushing, being pressured to see everything, and being scared to miss something. Remember, you can always come back. Good morning.
Bebe.
Sì, Terminal 1 all'aeroporto.
Gracias. I think so. Have a good day. Do you see Bordeaux? I don't see Bordeaux.
Site de Vigne, a museum dedicated to the history and culture of wine. Here you can learn about the different types of wine, how they're made, and even taste some of the best wines from the region. It's must visit for any wine lover. La Site de Vigne has over 20 town areas, including wine cellar with over 14,000 bottles from around the world. The center hosts a variety of events and workshops, including wine tastings, cooking classes, and cultural events.
I am proud to say that my wine festival has a distant connection to every celebration on the planet organized by winemakers.
Yes, in France we have
There's lots of things you think we missed. Sarebbe di degustazione Belvedere, no? See you at 8th floor. So dove ci vamo?
An observation deck located on the 8th floor provides breathtaking panoramic views of Bordeaux, offering a unique perspective on the region. There is a wine boutique where visitors can purchase a wide selection of wines, including many Bordeaux wines, as well as wine-related accessories and souvenirs.
Okay.
I think there's a lot of Malbec in them.
What is Fronton and Rosillon?
There's other things from our region.
Yeah. Parlez-vous anglais?
Yeah.
Do you know? Can you tell me the difference between first two?
The first one is the stronger, with an aromatically intense about the roasted red fruits and a little bit woody aroma too. And the second one, like Côte de Bordeaux, it's more young. So it's a 2020 for the vintage. So we have this little acidity come from the youngest of the wine.
Ok, premier s'il vous plaît.
Let's go. Non mais si elle est prête,
Merci.
la dernière est une approche.
Oh, petit bisou.
Squishy baka.
The second thing I wanted to see and visit is one of the famous spots with signature sweets of this region, La Toque Couvrée.
Spécialité.
Also known as cannelé or cannelé bordelais, sorry my French, and it's a delightful French pastry that originates from the Bordeaux region in southwestern France. These pastries are beloved for the unique combination of texture and flavors. The flavor of cannelles is a delightful marriage of vanilla and rum with a hint of caramelization. The interior has a rich, sweet and slightly edgy taste, while the exterior provides a constructing crunch. Traditional cannelles recipes typically included ingredients like milk, flour, sugar, eggs, vanilla and rum. The batter is allowed to rest to enhance its flavor before being baked in special copper molds, lined with the beeswax and butter to create a distinctive crust.
Huh? Which one? This one, yeah? Bakit siya dati kopi?
Chateau Tour Balados, Saint-Emilion Grand Cru class. This Grand Cru winery offers a truly welcoming and hospitable atmosphere, making visitors feel at ease for the moment they arrive. The staff is knowledgeable and eager to share their expertise during the tour, which provides valuable insight into the winemaking process and the history of the estate. While the overall experience is delightful, it's worth nothing than the wines, although well crafted, may not reach the level of excellency one might expect from a Grand Cru winery. The varietals on offer exhibit good quality and reflect the local terroir. Yet they might not leave a lasting impression on the palate. Probably I would enjoy those wines in a few years. The wines produced by Chateau de Balados are known for their aging potential. They can be enjoyed young or cellared for several years to develop greater complexity and character. The estate offers oenotourism experience that provide guests with a deeper understanding of winemaking and the unique characteristics of Saint-Emilion wines.
Melchior. A Melchior, it's a bottle with 18 liters of wine, the equivalent of 24 regular bottles. That's perfect for a romantic dinner. Just kidding, of course. This tradition, for example, they open a wine where the vintage is something special for them. The year of the wedding, for example, the date of
This one is blue-green clay. This one, Le Sol Colibounet. It's a scent.
Day. I'm hungry and I wanna eat.
Next stop is a restaurant, of course. Bordeaux streets are alive with the street food vendors offering a world of taste in a single bite. And the city and streets are a gastronomic playground. Escargot, duck confit, and of course the delectable cannelé pastries. Each dish is a culinary masterpiece. I love different food.
What is le flottant? Il flottant.
Let me try that. It's a classic for kids. It's like egg white and pastry English cream.
Is it like egg white with the sugar? And then, oh yeah, I know that. We call it champita.
kind of floating into the sauce.
I guess. But maybe I should try this tagliatelle de Sud-Ouest.
Tagliatelle de Sud-Ouest effiloché de confit de canard or foie gras poêle. Tagliatelle from the Southwest shredded duck confit, pan-fried foie gras. Our culinary journey begins at one of the Bordeaux vibrant Les Grands Cafés. Le Grand Café is situated in a historic building in Bordeaux, adding to the overall charm and ambience of the restaurant. The restaurant was founded in 1802 and has been a popular gathering place for locals and visitors ever since. The restaurant has been featured in several films and TV shows, including the French movie Le Monde 2007 and the British TV series The Wine Show from 2016. The restaurant may have an outdoor terrace allowing diners to enjoy their meals while taking in the scenic views of Bordeaux. Le Grand Café has been frequented by many famous figures over the years, including Napoleon III, Victor Hugo, and Winston Churchill. Last but not least, we have great experience in Église Monolithe de Saint-Émilion. I don't have pictures to show you because it is not allowed to film it or make pictures, but it's incredible to see and feel it. It is the must-visit spot on my list. The church is literally carved in a limestone cliff that underlies the town of Saint-Émilion. The church was excavated and hollowed out from the solid rock, resulting in an underground structure. The church has a rich history dating back to the 12th century, and it was carved into the limestone cliffs by Benedictine monks to serve as a place of worship and refuge. You will find a collection of well-preserved frescoes that date back to the 15th century. There is few more interesting facts, but please check the link below.
Merci.
Ouais, voilà. Ouais, on fait ça.
Merci.
Et au verre, vous voulez un verre de Château Maubriand?
Ouais.
Et moi, je vais vous prendre...
There is one interesting part. I think it's a hidden gem in just next to this wine museum. It's about the sculptures made from iron, I believe. We didn't have enough time to explore all the museum. Maybe it's too bad. Lots of things that like I knew, but we missed a lot of things, like especially the winemaking part. But on the other hand, it was a nice experience. They did it really well. It was really charming, really nice atmosphere. And actually, Sophie had lots of good time, like 2 hours of running around, sniffing smells for the wine, so we could feel different smells and to see different pictures, like videos, and it was kind of entertainment for her. So I think she will have a nice experience, even if she wants to remember, it will be nice. So I would recommend even for kids because she had a really good time. Ça va?
Yeah.
Yeah. Second day in Bordeaux. Some
Motorbike, mommy.
I hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your next trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos, or just leave a comment what would you like to. Thank you so much and see you the next time. Au revoir.